You're covered in paint again! Your drawing is absolutely wonderful, but it looks like you've become part of the art yourself. Let's save this drawing for dessert. We'll finish it later. Everything has color. Even in chocolate or a cherry. If a drop gets on your clothes, it leaves a bright stain. And it's not so easy to get rid of.
But what is it? And why does color always leave a mark?
Let's find out. Paint isn't just water. It actually contains tiny colored particles. When paint touches the paper, the water gets absorbed into it, but the color stays right on the surface. That's why the drawing doesn't just disappear.
Wow.
So you could say that paint is basically colored water. Want to see a magic trick?
Yes!
Pour the milk into a bowl and add a few drops of paint.
Wow!
Now add the soap. The soap is pushing away the fat found in the milk, and as it moves, the colors scurry away with it. Mimi, let's do an experiment and create our own homemade paint. Here's what we'll need: a brush, an empty cup, some cherry juice, dark chocolate, matcha, and a spoon. Ready? Let's get started. Squeeze juice from fresh cherries, or use bottled cherry juice, and you've got red paint. Look at this bright color! Chocolate leaves color too. Melt it down, and you can use it for a brown drawing.
Wow!
And matcha mixed with water gives us a beautiful green. And there you have it. Paints made from stuff you find right at home. Look at the amazing masterpiece we created with them. Now you know why paints actually paint. The color stays on the paper and even on your clothes. Draw, try, and experiment. And don't be afraid to get a little messy.
Feet lanes up, ready to slide, ready to slide, ready to slide. 1, 2, 3, we jump so wide, jump so wide, jump so wide. Whoosh, whoosh down, colors arrive, colors arrive, colors arrive. Tap, tap fast, we paint a smile, paint a smile, paint a smile. Cheep, 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 I feel so great. Cheep, 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 my color's gone away. Touch, 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 green makes you bright. Sweet, 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 you shine with light.
Oh, everything is gray. No! Where did the colors go?
Look, someone is over there.
Oh no! He's stealing colors from the poor tree!
He's running away.
We have to bring the colors back to the tree.
Let's color it together. What color should we pick for the leaves? Green or red? Green? Great! I thought so too.
It looks so nice, Dee Dee. Now let's pick a color for the apples. Red or blue? Red? Okay, let's try it. We still need the trunk. What color should it be? Brown or blue? Brown, of course.
But we don't have brown paint.
How do we make a new color?
Grown-up time.
For our experiment, we need 5 clear cups, water, a stick or a brush, and paint: red, yellow, blue, and white. First, let's pour a little water into the cups. Now let's mix 2 colors. First, dip the brush in red. Now add white and mix it well.
Pink, just like me!
Now let's mix red with a different color, yellow.
It turned out orange, just like teal.
There are so many colors, but there are 4 main ones. When you mix them, you can make lots of new colors.
I want to mix red and blue.
Great! You made purple. It's so pretty.
But what colors do we mix to make brown?
For brown, we need 3 colors at once: red, yellow, and blue.
Wow! Brown is born! Now let's go back to our tree. I made brown! Little tree, you're saved! Hooray! We saved the tree!
Look, the thief is back.
Oh no! He wants to steal all the colors again! I won't let you! Give them back! Boys, hang on! The bird is flying in to help! Mimi, catch it! Got it! Now all the colors are free again!
Run, run, and don't come back.
Now I know where colors come from, and I can make any color!
Me, paints today. Colors, colors, come and play. Me, where's the blue? Me, what to do? Rainbow, rainbow, up so high. Rainbow, rainbow in the sky. Me, jump and cheer. All the colors now are here.
Leave the paint bucket and let's take a look inside a rainbow instead. Is that some kind of flood here? No, that's just how a rainbow appears. When a sunbeam hits a raindrop, it splits into colors. Each tiny raindrop makes its own little piece of rainbow, and together they swirl in a dance of colors.
Wow!
Mimi, do you know how many colors it's made of? Well, tell us. That's right, Mimi. There are 7 colors in a rainbow. Actually, there are many more, but our eyes only see exactly 7. This is real rainbow fun. Mimi, how about we create a real rainbow at home?
Wow!
Quick, let's fly to our house.
Grown-up time.
Let's get started. We'll need a glass, a bottle of water, a piece of paper, and a flashlight. Pour water into the glass, place a white piece of paper under it. Then, shine the flashlight through the glass onto the paper, and voila, there's a rainbow. No magic, just science. If you shine it straight on, there won't be a rainbow. You need to do it at an angle, and it will appear. So it's not magic at all. It's science. The sun just plays with the rain and creates a colorful wonder. Light passes through the droplets, coloring the sky. Now you know how a rainbow appears. And with the trick of making one at home, you can surprise all your friends.
Mimi, blow, blow, blow. Bubble in the sky, see it shine, shine, shine. Rainbows flying high. 2 little bubbles hug and play. Now they're friends and dance away. Bubbles up, 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 ha, ha, ha. Spinning, laughing, la, la, la. One goes pop, pop, trip, trip, drop. Mimi blows, tra, la, plop.
Are you surprised that when the bubble popped, you saw water droplets? I wonder why they fly if they're made of water. Let's find out. We're inside the bubble. Everything around shimmers like a rainbow. Why does the bubble hold its shape? It's simply like a magical sandwich. These are very thin layers of soap. And between them, like a tasty filling, smiles the water. These layers of soap hold the water tightly so it doesn't escape. And when we blow, this soap and water sandwich inflates with air and becomes a round ball. That's why when the bubble pops, the droplets scatter. But how does it fly? When we blow, warm air gets inside the bubble. It's always warmer than the air around it, and so the bubble rises up. Bubbles don't have wings. The wind helps them.
Bye-bye.
Well, Mimi, let's find out how to make soap bubbles at home using things everyone can have by hand.
Grown-up time.
What should you do now? That's right. Call a grown-up to help you with the experiment. We'll only need a few things: a bowl, a little liquid soap, water, a spoon of sugar, and a straw. Don't eat it, Mimi. This is for the bubbles. First, pour in the water. Add a little liquid soap so you can make the water slippery. And sugar will help the bubbles become stronger and not pop right away. That's how simple it is to make soap bubbles at home.
Wow!
Blow, 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 windy go. Blow, 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 hello, hello. When leaves go round, round, round. Soft wind makes a funny sound. Who's there? It's the wind in the air. Blow, 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 windy go. Blow, 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 hello, hello. Leaves go round, round, round. Soft wind makes a funny sound. Who's there? It's the wind in the air. Whoosh, 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 here comes the wind. Whoosh, 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 it grins and grins. Push, 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 things slide and spin. Blow, 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 wind wins again.
Whoa! What kind of invisible strong guy is that?
I don't know, but he's stronger than me.
I know who stole my kite. It was the wind.
Where does the wind come from?
Wind is air that moves.
But you can't see it. How do we know it's there?
You can feel it. It tickles your nose, shakes the leaves, and ruffles your hair.
And how does the wind begin?
The sun warms the ground unevenly. In the shade, the ground stays cooler. Above warm ground, the air gets warmer and rises up, and cool air runs in to take its place. That's wind. When the difference between warm and cool is bigger, the air runs faster. Wind pushes things. Light things, it can lift them gently and carry them far, far away. Heavy things, it can barely move them.
What if we attach heavy things to light things?
Let's do the experiment.
Grown-up time.
For this experiment, we need a small toy, a napkin, 4 strings, tape, and a hairdryer. Step 1, lay the napkin flat. This is the parachute canopy. Step 2, tape 1 string to each corner. String, then a little piece of tape on top.
Careful, gentle.
Test 1, without the parachute. Ask an adult to hold the toy up high, arm straight, and let it go. Bam! It drops fast.
Oh, wow. So fast. Are you okay, little toy?
Now we give the toy a parachute. Gather the strings together and attach them to the toy. Now the canopy catches the air and the fall becomes slow.
Wow. It's floating so slowly.
Now we'll show the wind. Ask an adult to set the hairdryer to cold air and blow from under the parachute.
What? It's not falling at all.
And what if we blow from the side instead of underneath?
It's flying sideways.
Wind is air that moves like an invisible river.
Those invisible hands can be gentle or super strong.
Wind can carry light things far, but heavy things barely budge.
Wind loves wide things the most. Parachutes, kites, and tablecloths. They catch more air, so the wind pushes them harder.
Wind is nature's breath, and that's why it's so important for all living things on Earth.